Community link, getting started in your back office, main screen and landing screens. To get started in setting up your main screen, click the My Apps button in the main menu. Select the desired app from the drop-down menu at the top. Next, click the Configure App link in the App Management panel. From the configuration screen, select Main Screen from the menu on the left. For a new app, there'll be no options available in the main landing screen drop-down box. To change this, click Landing Screens from the bottom of the menu on the left. There are 3 different types of landing screens: an image landing screen, a video landing screen, and a blog landing screen. These screens can be linked to each other to allow a viewer to get small bits of information at a time, eventually leading them to your goal destination. We're going to add 3 screens to show you how it's done. When linking landing screens, you have to plan ahead because you start with the last screen and work your way back. Screen name is simply a name you give the screen so you remember what the screen is for. For this example, we'll use landing screen 3. Button text is the text that will appear in the button that you want the viewer to click to continue. Landing location is where you want the viewer to be taken when they click the button. This is the 3rd screen, so we'll select Contact Form. Select an image from your computer that you want to appear in your landing screen, and provide a short line of text to help entice the viewer to find out more. This text shows up above the selected image on the landing screen. Click the Add Landing Screen button to save your new landing screen. Again, working backwards, we create our 2nd landing screen. Since the 3rd landing screen has been created, we can link the 2nd landing screen to the 3rd. Set the button text for your landing screen button, then choose Landing Screen from the Landing Screen Location drop-down. This allows you to select the name of the last landing screen you created, Landing Screen 3 in this example. Provide the YouTube video ID and push Tab on your keyboard to see your video image preview. Provide a short line of text in the Call to Action field, which appears above the video within your landing screen. Click the Add Landing Screen button to save your 2nd landing screen. The 3rd landing screen we create is the 1st landing screen the viewer sees. If we had created any blogs in our back office, we could choose Blog Landing Screen. This would give us a list of our blogs in the Blog Selection drop-down box. With no blogs available, we'll create our 1st landing screen as a video landing screen and call it Screen 1. Once you have all the data for your landing screen, click the Add Landing Screen button to save your screen. Next, click Main Screen from the menu on the left and select Screen 1 from the drop-down box. Switch to your mobile app tab and refresh the screen to view your new landing screen. You want to test your landing screens to ensure you have the desired result. As you can see, Landing Screen 1 has its video, and we can click the button, which takes us to Landing Screen 2. Landing Screen 2 has its video, and when the button is clicked, it takes us to Landing Screen 3. Landing Screen 3 has its image, and when the button is clicked, it opens a contact form for the viewer to fill out. Once completed, the viewer clicks the Send Information button to send their information to you as an email. When they have sent the information and closed the form, they're back in your mobile app interface to view the rest of your app. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and information, and don't forget to enable notifications. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video workshop helpful.